the V into I. Okay, V into I into 2, 0.2, and that is nothing but Q. And we know that Fourier's law, Q is equal to K dt by dx. Okay, and K is equal to Q delta x A delta t. Okay, now here we have to find out the temperature of aluminium mild steel bakelite. How will you find out? Here the temperature of the aluminium is T1 and here the temperature is T4. Hence we have to take average of that two. Hence the temperature of aluminium is given here as T1 plus T4 divided by 2. Temperature of mild steel T2 plus T5 divided by 2, and temperature of bakelite T3 plus T6 divided by 2. Okay. Now if you want to find the thermal conductivity of the composite wall, this is the formula. Q is equal to K is equal to Q bracket length of aluminium minus steel bakelite upon area, which is nothing but circular area, where 200 mm diameter means pi by 4 d square, T0 minus T3. T0 temperature you can find out from there, that setup. Okay, and T3 again, all this temperature you have to write down this in this observation table. This is the observation table, voltage, current, temperatures, etc. Okay, and once you find out that temperature, you have to use this formula for finding out this is the formula for finding out the thermal conductivity of the composite wall. Similarly, for each wall, aluminium, mild steel, bakelite, the thermal conductivity also you can find out. Okay, just put values and get the answer. You will get the thermal conductivity. Okay, very simple experiment, and we will provide you manuals for this. But the arrangement is this. What you have to do initially, you have to switch on the setup, keep the voltage at 70 volt and current 0.5 approximate, and keep this at for 1 hour. After 1 hour, the steady state will be achieved, and you have to just record the temperatures T1, T2, T3, T4, T5 like that. Just you have to rotate this. See, I am rotating this. The temperatures will be changed. You have to wait here for some time. Suddenly the temperature will not show. You have to wait here for some time like this. Okay, you will get the different temperatures, and put that temperature value in this formula, in this observation table, and from this formula find out TL, T aluminium, mild steel, T bakelite, and put here in this formula K for composite wall. You will get the thermal conductivity of the composite wall. This is the arrangement. This is the way to find out the thermal conductivity. In the next practical, we will find out the thermal conductivity of the insulating powder. Okay, this is the sphere in that the insulating powder is there. Okay, in the practical number 2 is to find out the thermal conductivity of the insulating powder. Okay, in this way we can perform the experiment. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, thank you.